Hello friends, this is Hitesh Sharma and you're watching Grooming Logics, and in this video I'll tell you about how to take macro shots with your smartphone camera. Yes, you're right, with your smartphone camera. So if you don't have a money to buy a DSLR camera for yourself, or if you are passionate about photography, then you are at the right place. You'll know exactly how you can take macro shots with your smartphone, not by placing an external lens on your smartphone camera. It sometimes scratches the glass of the camera. Now all you need to do is just open up the camera app and go to the Pro mode. And in the Pro mode, watch the video till the end. Now launch the camera app and then swipe from the left corner and select the Pro mode. After selecting the Pro mode, select the focus option and then change from autofocus to manual focus. Now zoom a little bit and then adjust the focus. So when your image gets clearer and vivid, you're ready to take a shot. Now to get quality macro shots, do not maximize your zoom. Keep the zoom level between 50 and 75% so it won't deteriorate your image quality and you will get best macro shot. Now here are some of the macro shot samples which I have captured through this method. Now if you like my video, then you know exactly what to do. Like, comment, share and subscribe. That's all for now. This is Hitesh Sharma and I'm signing off. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Catch you in the next video.